2 minus 3 equals minus 1, and 4 times 3. Now minus 1 and 4 times 3 equals 12. And now his multiply. So 1 times 12 equals minus 12. But this is wrong. Why? Because inside the parentheses first, right? Then multiplication and then subtraction. So where is multiply? Okay, now let's solve this. And first of all, inside the parentheses, right? So 4 times 12 equals 4 times 3 equals 12, right? Okay, and 3 and minus 2. Now here is multiply. So multiply first. So 3 times 12 equals 36, right? And 2 minus 36 equals minus 34.